Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here. You guys know the drill. 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. Hold up. Did J-Chains host ATB today? Let me know if J-Chains hosted. Let me know if you like DZ better or J-Chains better. If J-Chains treated you guys good, let me know in chat. I think I did see him in there, or I heard him in there hosting. Did he shout me out? If he did host, let me know if he shouted me out, because that would be lit if J-Chain shouted me out on ATB. Guys, welcome back to the stream. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. As you guys know, I say it all the time. We got an awesome show today, guys. Bitcoin doing some things today. Bitcoin definitely doing some things. Who caught the market watch that I put out, guys? I swear, I made this market watch video, or this market update video, and I swear somebody is trying to stop me from uploading YouTube videos. I went to upload the video at the office. Now, this is not at home where we previously had internet issues. This is at the office. I go to upload the video, 2 hours and 45 minutes to upload. I'm changing Wi-Fi, I'm hardwiring, nothing's working. Finally, I get it up, so it actually did come up a little bit late, but I think it was just in time if you were able to watch it quick enough to get in and see what I was talking about before we got this move, because exactly what we were looking for happened. And I did say in the video I was not going to be taking the short because I am looking for long positions, and I might actually change my mind here. We're going to take a look at the charts right now. I just recorded a KuCoin video, our last video in the KuCoin series, so I was a little late to that move. I was recording the other video. Otherwise, you know, if I saw, I'll show you guys. I said I wasn't taking the short, and I didn't, but if I wasn't recording that video and I was watching the charts, I would have taken that short for a very specific reason, and I'm going to show you why. And it actually does leak back into what I was pointing out in the market update video. It's playing out perfectly, exactly how we wanted it to. So, with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and real quick say what's up to chat. And then we're going to jump into the charts. And I'm going to let you guys know what I think. Are we going to continue coming down? Is the relief bounce over? That's the real question. Are we going to come back up to get more relief? Is this just a temporary drop? Or are we going to come down and get another leg deeper down before finally getting some relief? I'm going to let you guys know what I think, what levels I'm watching, what entries I'm looking to get into, longs or shorts. We're going to take a look at everything, guys. Real quick, before we say what's up to chat, guys, if you want to sign up for any of the services that we use, Femex, KuCoin, I think we have a couple other deals. Go to frankiecandles.com if you guys have not checked it out. And even if you're not looking for deals, go to frankiecandles.com because there's pretty hilarious pictures of me on that website. We got to take new pictures. The pictures aren't bad, but for some reason I look like a little kid in them, so we're gonna have to retake them. I actually don't even remember taking these pictures, but definitely head over to frankiecandles.com. We have an awesome Femex deal that you can get if you want a long or short Bitcoin with or without leverage. we have a great deposit bonus deal with them where if you use my referral link, also in the chat, I put that link and in the description below or at frankiecandles.com, wherever you want to get it. I put it everywhere so you guys can find it easily. But if you click that link, sign up for Femex and deposit, depending on how much money you deposit, you will get extra money deposited into your account from Femex, and it helps your boy out, Frankie Candles, just a little bit. So if you want to help out the channel, that I would greatly appreciate that. And the easiest way to help out the channel, guys, is to smash that like button for a chance. Smash that like button. For every 100 likes that we get, you guys get a chance to spin the wheel. And there's 2 spots on here for a giveaway, right? We give away NFTs all the time. Sometimes we give away hardware wallets. And coming up here pretty soon, we're going to be giving away some of these Frankie Candles hats with the leather patch. Nice little trucker hat with the snapback on the back right there. So it's adjustable. Really, really cool. Going to be giving away a couple of those just because we hit 15,000 subscribers. And we're creeping up to 16, guys. We're going to be there. Before we know it, 20K is next. And then, guys, it's exciting. We're trying to get our name on the building. We're trying to get the CandleMafia on the building. And NFT Update or NFT Alpha is at about 20K subscribers. If we keep this up, this growth, we will probably pass them in subscribers in the next month or so. So definitely keep smashing that like button. Keep pushing us out to the YouTube algorithm so we can get in there and get the CandleMafia on the building. Smash that like button. I love each and every single one of you. Let's go say what's up to chat. Let's see. Crypto Anon. Okay. All right. Let's see. The Days of Old says, evening, Frankie. Looking forward to tonight's information. Days of Old, thank you for coming back here. Love to see you in here. Shout out to Days of Old. Crypto Flight, what is going on? The bulls are quiet today. Yes, that is definitely true. Crypto Anon and Tony D and Captain Kirk and Tyler Durden. I didn't physically see Tyler Durden in here, but he might be in here for all I know. I don't want to lose my spot in chat, but shout out to our 4 amazing mods. Thank you all so much for what you do. I always like to shout you guys out because you help me out more than you probably realize. And you guys are just awesome people. Anyway, yes, my brother. Love you, bro. Mass Nokas. What is going on? Thank you for being back here. Yeah, you were in here last night for sure. Welcome back. Crypto Billy, as always, great to see you. Thank you for being back here. Alex C, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. User 7, what is going on? Shout out to you for coming back, User 7. I appreciate you for being here. D Petty Crypto, yes, J-Chain hosted. DZ ballin' though. Absolutely, D Petty, absolutely. We love DZ and Justin around here, so... but interesting. DZ is great. Love to see it. Love for Justin and love for DZ. I like it. I like it. Let's see. Rob the Crypto Snob, welcome back. Thank you for being here. James M, what is going on? Welcome back, brother. Always good to see you in here. Derek, what is going on? Jimmy with the stimmy. Jimmy with the stimmy. What is going on, man? Welcome back. Let's see. E84, what is going on? Ritesh, welcome back. Unforgettable name. What is going on? I thought I was late. ATB J-Chain's day. Won't choose a side. Both have their flair. Absolutely. I would go ahead and lean on that end of the table too. DZ and J-Chain's both goats in their own regard. Absolutely. Keep it coming. What is going on with the candle emojis? What is up? Steven Urban, what is going on? James Bello, The Bit, Bobby, Yoda, Chemistry Bro, welcome back. Chemistry Bro says, Frankie, you gotta check out the charts. I posted in Discord. One's based on what I was talking about last stream. What I was trying to explain has been playing out almost perfectly. Interesting. Chemistry Bro, did you send them to me in the Discord? DM them to me in the Discord if you have not already, and I will take a look at them. And if they pop up right now, I'll try to bring them up right now. Let's see. Yo, what's happening, Frankie? Dolphin Daddy, what is going on? Welcome. Fareed, welcome. Paper Route Frank, what is going on? DZ, but he did shout you out at the end. Let's go, J-Chains. Shout out to Meta Money. J-Chains and Brian, you guys are awesome. DZ with a different voice. What's going on, Andrew? Blue Punk Rocker, welcome back. Always love seeing you here. LFG, what's good, CandleMafia? Ready for that sauce? Let's go. Let's get a couple more in here right before we're done. 5-0 Chris, what's going on? Blazing Saddles, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Ill Hero, Jeremy, D Petty, Lane Hughes, what is going on, Lane? Thank you for coming back, Lane. I love seeing you in here. You're always spitting that good knowledge, pointing things out on the charts, giving the CandleMafia some extra stuff to look at. Love it, Lane. Thank you for coming back. J-Chains is one tanned man indeed. Yeah, he's got a tan going on. Crypto Billy, as always, loving to see you here. Let's see. Crypto Donut Sculpted, Icebreaker, Chasnick Grant, Enzo Ferrari, welcome back. Somebody sent screenshots of me and Mama Candles on stream. It was Biomex or Crypto Billy, I think. Whoever it was, I will get back to you, but thank you for that. That was very nice. Thank you for screenshotting that. Anyway, okay, just checking this. Okay, we're good. Haha, much love, my friend. Lane Hughes, shout out to Lane. Skywalker, welcome. He says, I'm here to Frankie. Let's go. Frankie, G-Man 305, what is going on? All right, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. We got 329 people. Like I said, smash that like button. For every 100 likes we get, you guys get to spin on the wheel, and you can win NFTs and all kinds of fun stuff, so definitely smash that like button. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts and start giving you that sauce. That's why you came here. So let's go. Boom. All right. Starting off on Bitcoin. We're here on the 6-day chart. Not really too much more to cover on the weekly chart. We covered this yesterday. I guess I'll start here. Okay, cool. I got. Let me just pull this up real quick. Here's a sneak peek of the Discord, free, not paid or anything, so you're not really getting a sneak peek. But here is some of the TA that I've been posting in the Discord. I try to get in there as much as possible. I'll let you guys know what's going on with a little picture of what I'm talking about. And yeah, sometimes we post exactly what I'm looking for. Sometimes I draw lines letting you know kind of what I'm looking for price to do. And it's a good time. It is a good time. Oh God, now everybody's in the Discord trying to get on the stream. What's up? Shout out to the Discord. But I did just want to check and see what Chemistry Bro was looking at. Oh, okay. Okay, interesting. I will try to bring this up today, Chemistry Bro. If not, I might want to look at these first so we don't have to demystify everything on the stream, but this looks like some good stuff. All right. So real quick, guys, let's just run through. We'll do top-down analysis here, starting on the 6-day. Now, I am going to be watching this 6-day green dot and this 5-day green dot like a hawk. So 5-day is confirmed. I don't know if I said that yesterday. I think I might have said it wasn't confirmed yesterday, but well, when did it confirm? Yeah, okay, 5-day is confirmed on that green dot. 6-day is still confirming. We got about 4 days and 3 hours to confirm that. But if this 6-day green dot disappears, I do think we can wind up coming down a lot more. So going to be keeping an eye on that. But nonetheless, this does support the fact that we could be coming up for a nice relief bounce or maybe even finding a bottom, as you guys know. Now, if we back test this a little bit, you will see we got the double green dot here on the 6-day, right at the bottom of this little fake 2019 fake out bull market that we had. It called the bottom of that. And then obviously March 2020, we dumped down below that, but that was a black swan, so I kind of disregard that. But if you come to 2017, you will see that this 6-day green dot basically called the bottom almost to the exact candle. I showed this yesterday, not going to spend too much time on it, but I just want to show you the significance of these green dots. They don't pop up very often. And then now this is the little bit of the tricky part. I think we covered this on a stream recently. I don't know if it was this week or last week. But if you look at these 6-day green dots in 2014, you'll see we did get 2 green dots. The first one did not mark the bottom. It did in 2018, it did mark the bottom perfectly, but it did not do that in 2014. You got 1 dot here, it marked a bottom, and then we kind of, came down, came back up a little bit, and then we wound up printing a second one, and that second one is the one that marked the actual bottom. Now, a way we could kind of try to figure out if, if we're going to see something like this play out. Now, I kind of think it's up in the air, right? It could be marking the bottom like it did in 2018, but there is a reason why I'm leaning a little bit further towards the 6-day green dot playing out more like it did here in 2014 than 2018, and I'm going to show you what that is right now. So as you can see, we came down. If you measure this, let me just kind of make our okay, boom. Let's give us a little bit more room here. Now, if we go ahead and measure from the absolute all-time high of 2013, 2014, obviously we came down about 85%. in total for the bear market. But at this first, so about 76% to the bottom of this green dot. Now you have to understand this was 2 cycles ago. So this is going to be, our green dot popping up right now is coming in at about 64% down, 63, 64% down. Now it would make a lot of sense, being that we've seen Bitcoin drop on average 85% in each cycle, from the top to the bottom from the top of the bull market to the bottom of the bear market has been about an 85% drop in every cycle. To that first green dot, we are only down, right here, 76%. But as the market matures, obviously, you guys know everything becomes less volatile. The moves up are less parabolic. The moves down are less crazy and capitulative. Maybe capitulative is the wrong word. They move. They're less extreme, right? The moves up are less extreme. The moves down are less extreme due to logarithmic regression, diminished returns, market maturing, stuff like that, right? So it could be that, we're down about 64%, maybe 64% is the new 76%, and then we're going to see, we'll come down a little bit more, maybe get a nice little bump up, and then we come down for that full 85% drop. Now, the bigger reason making me think that this green dot on the 6th day will play out more like this is the fact that you can see up here, we were not quite at the 200 moving average, right? So it's not really the 200 week, but more, I guess we can look at the weekly green dot too. But we'll go back to the 6th day. The 200 moving average on the 6th day, we were not quite there yet. We were pretty close, but we were not that far. I mean, to be exact, assuming that this 200 moving average would just kind of be like that. We were about, from the bottom of that green dot to the moving average, about 30% away, give or take, from that 200-week moving average if it was back there, right? Then we got the green dot, fiddled around a little bit, and then whomp, got slammed down, and then printed that second green dot right at the 200 moving average, right? Now, if we come on over to our current price action, and then you can see right here as well, when the green dot called the bottom, we were at that 200-week moving average. I know this is the 6th day, so it's not technically the 200-week moving average, but saying the 200-period moving average on the 6th day takes too long. So if we come to our current price action right here, you can see that we've come very, very close to our 200-week or 200-period moving average, but didn't quite touch, right? Now, how far are we from here? Definitely not 30%, but, about 5%. So we came pretty close, but we still have not touched it yet. I do think that there is a likely chance that we still need the 200 moving average to keep moving up, and I think we still need to come down and really press against this 200 moving average. As you can see on the weekly chart, we've come to it every single bear market. We've bottomed out on this 200-week moving average, right? That was 2018, perfect bottom out to that 200-week moving average. And then same thing here. Our bottom here on that green dot on the weekly was not quite to that 200 moving average, but we were close. And then finally we got whomped down and bottomed out on that 200 moving average, right? So I do think there is a chance that we can see this 6-day green dot play out like it did in 2014, just for the fact that we are not currently at that 200-period moving average on the 6th day yet. I do think we could have that one green dot, right? And then we come up a tiny bit, and then we get whomped back down to actually hit that 200 moving average. So just definitely very interesting to look at here, but nonetheless, we are printing that green dot. It is somewhat bullish at this point, especially with that 5-day green dot confirmed as well. So the question is, are we going to see, when we zoom into the price action here, I'm going to let you guys know what I think and where I'll be looking for trades, but are we going to see price, this 5-day and 6-day green dot play out? Are we going to get a ride up, hopefully maybe to this trend line right here before coming back down, or are we going to come back down first? And we're going to talk about that in just a second. But I just wanted to point out these green dots and show you how they've played in the previous markets, right? And they've played basically the same on the 5-day. It's very similar. So coming on down to the daily chart, You know, we are starting to curve up here with the money flow. Now, it is starting to round back off here, so we could come deeper, but it is looking like you're forming somewhat of a bottom. Now, hopefully, if we could, let me just go ahead and switch charts here so I get a better look here. If we could get a move down here, and if this is a little bit of a bigger move, I'm wondering maybe if we could come down and finally put in a little bit of a lower low so we can put in some bullish divergences on the daily chart here, and then that is what finally brings us up. That would be nice. I don't know if it's going to play out. It kind of seems like that ship has sailed, but, you know, not impossible. We could see maybe something can happen here. Let's just go ahead and dig into this price action here because we have some interesting stuff going on. Just grab my my tool here. So as we were saying in the market update video, guys, and as we put in the Discord, I guess that's true. If you guys, if that market update did get uploaded a little bit late, however, you guys did get the info in the Discord before I made that market update video. So here's what we're looking at, right? We were forming a diamond top here. Now, this is a formation that I don't think we've talked about on this channel yet, but it's pretty basic. I don't know if we covered this in our reversal pattern video, but it's basically just a reversal pattern. When you have a diamond top like this, typically at resistance, they'll break to the downside. As you see, this happened, absolute textbook. Came up, diamond pattern, break to the continuation to the down, or not continuation, but a reversal to the downside. And then when you see them form at, you know, when you see them form at, this is not a diamond, but if you saw them, you know, form at support, typically they'll break up, right? So this is basically a textbook diamond pattern here. And then it breaks to the downside. So I was watching this in the morning. You know, I think we were like right about here. I was waiting for this to break to the downside. We actually did get the drop down. And you can see with the measured move here, if you go from the swing high to the swing low and measure that out to the tip of the pattern, it brought us right down to this red box of support, right? Now, this red box of support, again, I know I said this in the market watch video, but I'm going to say it again just for people who did not see that video yet. We come down to this support. So what I was looking for at this level of support was I was looking to hold this level. Now, this is a strong level for multiple reasons, some of them being this, right? When you pull some volume from the 11th of May all the way through this sideways range that we had, let me just turn off Market Cipher. When you pull some volume, God, this box is just too shaded. Give me a second here, guys. Let me just turn this down a little bit so we can see a little better. Boom. Okay, so if you pull a volume range here from the 11th of May all the way through this 15-day sideways range that we were sitting in, you do get your value area high right here at about 30,600. So this will act as resistance. As you can see, we got rejected, we got rejected, we got rejected, we got rejected, right? So you get rejected when you're underneath it, but it can act as support if you flip it, right? And you can come up, which is basically what happened. But this is a strong level of support. One, because of the value area high, right? And then two, if you grab your Fibonacci retracement, there's a couple of different levels you can pull from here to here. You do have a golden pocket sitting right up at the top of this box, as well as a 786 fib level in the middle of the box, right? So I was looking for possible long entries at this box if we were holding it. Unfortunately, we weren't able to hold it, so I did not take an entry. And then I was saying in the video, if we break this level and break this value area high, I would be looking for a move back down to the point of control, or if we break the point of control, to look in this range between the point of control and this macro golden pocket. But like I said, and I say many times, guys, the point of control, if you break back through the value area high, if you break back down into the value area high, the point of control right here will act as a magnet and suck price right back to it. And it is exactly what happened. We broke there, we came all the way down, got sucked to the point of control, and now we got to bounce off of the point of control. Continually, looks like we could continue to come down here, but just absolutely textbook, guys. If you don't know how to use this fixed range volume profile tool, please go check the video out on my channel. This thing is a cheat sheet for trading. Now, speaking of trading, I did mention to you guys, if you were looking for a short opportunity, what you could look for a good entry. Now, this is not financial advice. Obviously, this ship has sailed, obviously, so this wouldn't even make sense to take as a trade at this point. But anytime I say this, it's not financial advice, guys. I just show you setups that you can look for. Obviously, you'd want to do your own TA and your own research before actually entering a trade. But I was telling you guys, actually, maybe we can just go ahead and pull it up in the Discord. Let's see here. CandleMafia, Frankie BTC TA. So here you go. And I like to just run you guys through this because it just helps you know what you can look for, right? So at about this morning, this was at 11 this morning, I said, if you guys are looking for possible short opportunities, there might be a good opportunity to catch the ride down to the point of control if you wait for the bearish retest of the current support. However, I probably won't be taking this trade. Just to be transparent, I'm in long hunting mode currently, and as always, it's not financial advice. So if we pull this up, this is what I put in the Discord earlier today, and it played out perfectly. I was telling you guys, if you wanted to wait to break the point of control, the value area high, this blue line, you wait to break it and then look for, I was telling you to look for a bearish retest of this red box, but we did not get the bearish retest of this red box, but we did get a bearish retest of this resistance line right here. Now, I said I wasn't going to take this trade, and I didn't because I was recording this video, and by the time I went back to the chart, it was too late. But I will show you why I would have taken this trade. Now, if we come back down to the 15-minute chart and we go ahead and we turn on Market Cipher A, you'll see, right? So I was basically telling you guys, just to recap here, I was telling you to wait for a bearish retest of this red box. But we didn't get that, but we got something very similar. We broke down and we got a bearish retest of this resistance level right here. And you know, I was gonna say it. I was gonna say, look for a retest of the red box or this resistance level, but I didn't. I should have. But this is why I would have taken this short if I did not catch it. I mean, I caught it like down here, so I wouldn't have, bad time to enter the trade there. But if you see, you break the value area high, which isn't gonna load here. Let's load it here. Boom. So if you break the value area high, which is right here, basically the bottom of that support box, if we break that, I was saying look for that retest, but we came down and we retested this area of resistance. And the reason I would have taken this trade is simply because of this yellow X on the 15-minute chart. When you break support and then bearishly retest it as resistance, and then a lot of times you'll test it, wiggle around, and then print a yellow X, and that dumps it, right? So that would have been a great entry right there, and chances are we probably will come down maybe to this value area low down here, or the bottom of the top of the golden pocket here, just based off the fact that a lot of times these yellow X's come in twos. First one brings you down a lot, second one also brings you down a lot. If we print another yellow X up here, there's a good chance we could come back down to this golden pocket. So if you caught that entry right here, almost exactly where we were calling for it, you could have, rode this down for about 3.7%, almost 4%. And if we wind up getting another yellow X and we continue down to that golden pocket, it's a 5% move. So throw a little leverage on that, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad of a move. But I'm really glad I was able to put that in the Discord for you guys. Now, at this point, what am I looking for? I am... Perfect way. Yeah, Lane, I see you. Yeah, just a fake out and we will have a bullish open. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm looking for right now is we are actually putting in a little bit of a bullish divergence in here on the 15-minute chart, but I will be very careful with that just because there's a yellow X here. But if we do wind up coming all the way down to this golden pocket, this is where I'm going to start looking for long positions. I'm checking the 15-minute for bullish divergences. I'm checking the 30-minute for bullish divergences. I'm checking the 1, the 2, the 4-hour for bullish divergences. Obviously, we're a long way off on the 4-hour, but if we come back down there, this is where I'm looking for long positions. If I see one pop up a little sooner at this, maybe at this level here or at the value, or, come on, come on, or at the value area low down here. This is essentially where I'm going. This range, I would say, down here. If we can make it down here, this is where I'm starting to look for long positions. And I'm probably going to go pretty heavy on the longs, guys. I'm not going to lie. Depending on how things look, you know, we have to be careful and make sure that, you know, we're not going to come down and make lower lows. I'm not just waiting to get down to that level and then entering longs. I'm waiting to get down to that level, checking market cipher B, checking my other confirmations, looking for bullish long entry signals at that key support for possible long entries on the way up. And if we get down there and everything's flipping super bearish and I think we're coming down further, maybe we'll start looking for some more shorts. But speaking of shorts here, guys, the ETH trade is still alive. I mean, it's just profit at this point left in the trade. $1,200 out in profit, back $170 back in profit, up 84%. This thing will not lose. I'm like trying to leave it here. I was just like, go ahead, lose. It just will not lose. So I'm just going to let this ride, see if we can ride down. I'll take more profits as we come down. And then, you know, God, I wish I would have added to it if I was able to pay a little more attention to the charts today. But it is what it is. That's kind of what I'm looking for, guys, for Bitcoin. So right now we are coming down. Now, just some things that we could come down. We do have a blood diamond on the 2 hour. I said this on the morning stream. Blood diamond, we were just starting to come out of this diamond pattern. And I let everybody know, be careful of this blood diamond. It could bring us down much, much more. So warned them on the morning stream too that this could play out. So this thing is playing out beautifully. Now, also what you want to realize is you are getting a money flow crossover on the 1 hour. This could also continue this downtrend a little bit further, but you are printing a big old green dot down here. So we'll have to see. But money flow crossover on the 1 hour here, not looking that great. You know, let's see, 90-minute still in the green, 45-minute crossover into the red, 30-minute in the red. So I definitely, you know, 30-minute yellow X as well. I mean, we start printing more yellow X's here. As you guys know, they do typically come in twos. So if we start printing another yellow X, you know, we could definitely make it down to this golden pocket or maybe even a little deeper into the golden pocket. So keep an eye out for that. Let's go ahead and check on chat. Let's see. They have an indicator that is free called Peak Activity Levels Lux. That is just like that volume thing, but you don't need a TradingView paid version. Ill Hero. Okay, thank you for clarifying that because I wasn't 100% sure if you needed a paid account to use that tool, but I guess you do. I've heard you do, but I wasn't 100% sure. Thank you for clarifying that. Interesting. So shout out, yeah, shout out. Where did that go? Ill Hero. Shout out to Ill Hero. Guys, if you don't have a paid version of TradingView, there is a free indicator, and it is called, one more time, it is called Peak Activity Levels Lux. And apparently it's the same thing, but free. So, I don't know that. I have not tested it, but Ill Hero says it's good. So maybe go ahead and check that out. You're developing a slouch. Don't go down like BTC. Get a green cipher and put your chest out, boss. Yeah. Wow. That is actually really funny that you said that because someone walked by me today while I was recording a video and they commented on my horrible posture, which is actually very interesting. What is going on? Guys, we got to fix the posture. We're making this a thing on the channel, Frank's posture. Please let me know if you guys think that I have horrible posture, because I do, and it's really bad for me, and I need to fix it. So we're gonna try to fix the posture. Thank you for pointing that out. Who said that? Who did it? Bearish divergence on the daily chemistry, bro. We'll take a look at that. I don't know who said who's talking about the posture, but thank you. I needed that. Let's see. There will be a lot of people today going short as it has been a bad day. BTC down about 8%. I agree with that, Lane. What do you recommend doing after your stop loss is hit? I keep getting stopped out on almost every trade to the point of near liquidation now. Sunny Impact, SXNNY Impact. I don't know how to say your name. What do you do after your stop loss gets hit? I would maybe, I mean, if you're getting stopped out and stopped out and stopped out and stopped out and stopped out, I'd maybe take a step away. I'd maybe take a break, step away from the charts, take a day or two off, and just let the market do its thing and then come back and reassess. I don't know where you're setting your stop losses. There's a lot of different variables that can go into this issue. Is your stop loss too tight? Are you setting your stop loss right above your support or resistance? Are you, there's a lot of things that can go into this, but I would say maybe just take a step away. You might just need to clear your mind or something like that. If your stop losses are too tight, maybe give them a little bit more room to breathe and then just trust your TA. Or maybe, I don't know where you're at in your trading journey, if you're just starting out or if you're, experienced. If you're just starting out, I would say maybe just take a break from actually trading and just hit the books a little bit more. Watch some more tutorial videos, watch some of these streams, ask questions in the stream. I'll try to pay extra attention to you, Sonny, I'm just going to call you Sonny. If you have any questions, throw them in chat. I'll try to keep a lookout for your name and try to help you as best as I can. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But I would say maybe just take a step back, watch some tutorials, maybe learn a little bit more about TA if you're a beginner. But if you're experienced, I'd maybe just take a day off, take a couple days off, let the market do its thing, and then come back with fresh eyes. And then just make sure your stops aren't too tight. But yeah, if you have any questions, ask Sonny. I'll try to help you out. Bing bong. Robert Cadino, what is going on? Says bing bong. Shout out to Robert. Enzo Mining says, how do you take profit from the trade? Well, here, I mean, it's pretty much the same on every exchange. But if I wanted to take, 50% of this out, I would just go ahead and click market. Now, you can do limit. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it, right? If I wanted to wait till we dropped a little lower, you can hit limit, right? And then you can type the price in that, when the price hits 1750, I want to take 50% of my trade out. And then it tells you that you'll get $97 in profit. When price hits 1750 and you take 50% out, you'll get about $100 in profit. Now, this is better, right? Because you won't pay as much in fees. But if you did just want to just jump out and grab some profit real quick right away, you could click market. I want to take 25% out of my trade. Boom, click confirm, and it'll take you out and we'll walk away with 40 bucks. Or you can take 100% out, walk away with 168, whatever it may be, 75 or 50%. So that's how you can take profit. It's the same thing on Femex. I prefer to trade on Femex for the most part. It offers a little bit more leverage. But KuCoin, I kind of go back and forth. I usually have trades open on both at the same time, as you guys know, but it's the same thing on Femex. They're the same exact buttons, almost in this same exact spot with the same exact functionality. So if you're on Femex, it's the same thing. So there you go. Just dish out the sauce. There you go. Little KuCoin sauce for you guys. Little KuCoin sauce. Let's go. Oh baby, the coffee's hitting me now. I don't know what just happened. This coffee just really hit my brain. Okay, let's go. All right. Just don't let the market eat your shorts. Yes, Wick. Thank you. Yes, absolutely. Like I said, this is already, I'm 90% out of this thing. We'll just, I'll take profits on this eventually, but, even so, I've locked in 1,200. So, but yeah, don't want to really ride them down for too much more. What's the dollar amount of the golden pocket on Bitcoin? The top of it's coming in at about 28.7. Let's see. So between 28.8 and 29.200. I don't know what is that. Buy Bitcoin Daily. I don't know what that is in reference to. Let's see. Captain Kirk says, I've still got 50% of my short in. Tell me again, how far down short term are we looking for? Cap, I will definitely do that for you. It's the least I can do for as much as you do for me. Let's see. So for me, right now, in the short term, I am thinking, if this POC or point of control is not going to be the reversal point, which it totally could be, we are putting bullish divergences in on the 15-minute and some other time frames as well. So if this is not the bottom, I am thinking, we could definitely drop down. If we print another yellow X here, we could drop down to the top of this golden pocket at about 28.6, 28.7. Yeah, I would call it 28.7. And then we'll have to reassess the situation when we get there. But I would say short term, if not this point of control right here, basically where we're at now, I would say the top of this golden pocket at about 28.7. Captain Kirk, I hope that answered your question. Let's see. Let's see. I would long from 29.3, which is this point of control for the most part, basically where we're at right now. So yeah, Lane, I don't think that would be a bad idea. Not financial advice. Let's see. Don't you just love diamonds? I do love diamonds. I love blood diamonds. I love diamond reversal patterns, and I actually like diamonds. Random side note, guys, I am in the middle right now. With all I do on this, it's just not enough. I need more to do, I guess. I don't know. But I am currently working through online courses and certifications to become a certified jeweler. Don't know why. I've always been interested in gems and diamonds and gemstones. I just think it's cool. I don't know why. There's all different kinds. They all refract the light differently. I'm just interested in it. So I am working to be a certified jeweler on the side. That's like my little hobby. I don't know why I want to be a certified jeweler, but I just think it'd be cool. Hey, I'm Frankie Candles, and sometimes they call me Frankie Diamonds. So I like all kinds of diamonds. But yeah, let's see. Where are you looking for longs? I think I just answered that. I believe we'll probably go over it again if I have not. Still haven't been monetized. AD, yes. I don't know what's. I think we might hold the world record for the longest wait for an LLC. I don't know. It's out of my hands. We're waiting to get stuff back from somebody. I don't know. It's been months. I've never seen it take this long to get an LLC, but it's out of our hands. We're just gonna have to let time do its thing, and it will be coming soon. And when it does come, it's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. We're going to have a lot of fun with these super chats. Wait, no way. Frankie, give us the TA sauce on Sol. We'll look at Solana in just a second. No way. Go, Frankie. Oh, gonna make Mrs. Candles a ring. I mean, how cool would that be? How cool would that be? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Ever since I was young, I've been interested in that. I've always been interested in like I was listening to rap. I was always interested in like custom hip hop jewelry. I was always interested on how they make them, the quality of the stones, all that. I'm just into it. I don't know why. It's just something that's I'm naturally attracted to for some reason. I'm simple, right? It's shiny. Ooh, shiny. I think that's what it is. I don't know. But yeah, no, Crypto Anon, you are not studying to be a jeweler. There's no way. That would be so weird, dude. Let me know if you're being serious. That'd be funny. All right, let's see. Probably why crickets are the official food of the Frankie Candles channel. Sure. Gotta have a side hustle. That's right. Unforgettable name. Frankie, I can help you with that as I deal in jewelry. Hey, Days of Old, reach out to me on Twitter or something, because I don't know if you're saying you are a jeweler or you know a jeweler or something like that. I have questions because I'm taking courses and stuff, but I'd like to talk to a real person. If anybody knows a jeweler that I can ask questions to, or someone who makes custom jewelry, custom hip hop jewelry, like big iced out pieces, something like that, that's kind of what I would like to get into. Let me know. I would love to ask some questions. I'm working to be a surgeon on the side, Frankie. Crypto Billy, let's go. Crypto Billy. Oh, God, that's epic. I'll buy some gems from you, brother. Let's go. Crypto Pollo, let's go. A Detroit jeweler was just killed today. Oh, wow. I don't want to be a jeweler anymore, guys. I don't want to get it. Tracks NYC, Crypto Anon. Yo, oh, my God, that's so funny. Anon, I'm going to hit you up after the stream, dude. Tracks NYC is my guy, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, I love Tracks NYC. His YouTube channel's awesome. I'm currently in a Tracks NYC rabbit hole. That is crazy, dude. Yeah, super cool. Like, he's kind of not what got me into it, but when I found his YouTube channel, Tracks NYC is like kind of what like I love his content, and like that's the kind of jewelry that I like iced out Cuban chains, stuff like that. Super cool. Hopefully one day we can get some actual iced out jewelry. That'd be cool. Maybe we can give some of it away. That's probably down the line, but hey, you never know. Captain, look, a squirrel. Big jewelry in the works. Yes, absolutely. Tony D, yes. Trax is king. Okay, anyway, I think Captain Kirk's saying, oh, look, a squirrel, because we're getting distracted. Maybe. I don't know. But anyway, I'll donate a wedding set on white gold to you for free. My ex's ring, lol. You can melt it down and do whatever to it. 1K worth of diamonds too. Captain, interesting. I'll buy it from you, Captain. That's awesome. You guys are awesome. You said it right. Cluck, 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 cluck. Thanks. Chicken pollo, I get it. Chicken pollo, crypto pollo, I get it. I was in jewelry industry for 8 years until pandemic. Oh, wow, look at that. Crazy. This is nuts. Everybody, hey, jewelry bringing everybody together. I think DCA, way too slow into the market. How much % of your investment money would you suggest you have already in? Now, I would say this is going to depend on a lot of things. Now, all right, so let's get back to the charts here real quick, guys. So that would depend. They're asking, how much should you be DCA'd in? I'm sure there's a lot of people that during this, this little bounce that we got recently, a lot of people are really nervous, like, oh my God, we're going back up, and I didn't buy enough at the bottom. I wouldn't be too worried. Now, the only reason I would be worried is if this were the case, and I think it's very low chance that this is the case, and that is the false top theory. If this was the real top and the real start of the bear market, if that were the case, keyword if, big if this was the real top and the real start of the bear market, we could be coming up close to the bottom. We could be getting close to the bottom here, and it might be time to start seriously DCAing in. If that were the case, I'm not saying that's the case. I think it's way less likely that that's the case. Now, that's the only reason I would be really, really worried. But it depends on your risk tolerance. How worried are you about catching the actual bottom? I would say don't worry too much about catching the bottom because you're never going to catch the exact bottom. So I can't put a number on what you should be DCA'd into. I'll say this. I'm not too worried right now. I do think that even if we get a big pump, there's probably a good chance that we're either going to come back down to these levels or even lower. But definitely not a bad time to start DCAing in. Every week, every month, every day, every 2 days, whatever it is for you, not a bad time to start the DCA process. Hell yeah, finally caught the legend himself live. What is good, CandleMafia? George Hogan, what is going on? Welcome to the live stream. First live stream. We're popping his cherry. Let's go. I think it's in, Frankie. Draw a line from the exact summer, spring, and look where we are wicking off of. I think it can't be bearish anymore. This dip is final fake out. Tether dominance just started to go down. Yeah, okay, so let's talk about that for a second. Thank you for pointing that out, Lane. Okay, so this is kind of what he's talking about with the US. The Tether dominance is starting to come down, kind of forming an M pattern here. Now, this is typically a reversal pattern to the downside. Let's pull it up. I did this on the morning stream today. I think, we did do this on the morning stream. But let's just do it for you guys. So now, here's the thing. Lane, I agree with you, but there are some things, it's very hard to say right now, guys. There's a lot of things pointing to this being the bottom, or at least very, very close to the bottom. But there's also a lot of things that suggest that it might not be the bottom. There's a lot of indecision here, guys. There's a lot of indecision. We're only down 63%. That's not really bear market. Like, it's bear market, but it's not like full Max Payne bear market. But fear and greed is at absolute lows, right? So that would indicate a bottom. We are sitting on top of really strong support. We do have, the weekly VWAP coming up, which has marked bottoms in the past. We are having those higher daily time frames that are marking bottoms, that are starting to pop up, which have marked bottoms in the past. So it's a real toss-up here. There is good evidence that supports against this being the bottom and supports this actually being the bottom. So I think I might actually make a pre-recorded video about this and saying, here's the bull case, here's the bear case, here's the evidence supporting both sides. You have to make the decision because there is definitely support for both sides. So, I know a lot of people think this is the bottom and there's evidence to support that, but you don't want to be the person to you don't want to be the person saying this time's different, this time's different, this time's different, and then it's just not different like every other time. So, but there is support on both sides, so it's very, very hard. So I think it does deserve its own video. But if you pull up, we'll just pull up Bitcoin, right? I won't even pull up the altcoin market or, the full. So if we go to, let's go to the 2-week chart on these. Now, we have we have Tether dominance on the left, and we have Bitcoin on the right. So what I want to do here is show you guys, I mean, it's not too hard to understand, right? I mean, if you're very new, this might be the first time you're hearing this, but you guys probably all know this. When Tether tops out, right, it typically marks a bottom for Bitcoin and the start of a rally for Bitcoin. So as you can see here, you have a top on the DXY, a top on the market cap of Tether, right? And then that marked right here on Bitcoin this little bottom. Tether dominance came down, Bitcoin came up in a bull run, right? Then Tether came all the way back up. Right here, Tether came all the way back up, Bitcoin came all the way down. And then Tether topped, marked a bottom, right? Then Tether came down. Bitcoin went on a run. Are you guys seeing the pattern? Tether bottomed. Bitcoin topped. Bitcoin came down. Tether came up, right? And it makes perfect sense, guys. Tether, when Tether dominance is high, that means a lot of people are moving their money into Tether, aka pulling it out of crypto, right? And then when you see Tether dominance go down, meaning people are getting rid of their Tether, that means they're putting it into crypto and the prices go up, right? So it's inversely correlated. And we just saw that, right? Tether came down, Bitcoin came up, Bitcoin came down, Tether came up, and now Tether is making another top. And Bitcoin looks like it's at a bottom, right? We have the macro golden pocket here. We have lots of reasons to believe. We have the green dots popping up. This could be a bottom. Definitely supporting evidence. Thank you for pointing that out, Lane. So as you guys can see, and then especially on the Tether dominance, if you come down to the lower time frames, let's look at the daily. It is looking like an M reversal. So it's now it doesn't mean that this is definitely going to play out. Like, just because this is showing a topping structure, this very likely could come down and we could come up. I mean, it's very likely that is likely. But if something crazy happens, we get some crazy Fed news or whatever, something out of our control happens, I mean, we can just see Tether go out of control. The bottom line is, if people wanna tether out and hold on to their Tether, dominance is gonna go up whether we have a reversal pattern here or not. If people are gonna tether out, Tether dominance is gonna go up regardless of the pattern. So that's important to realize too. However, just as we marked, all these exact moves, it would make sense that literally like simple as ABC, it's very obvious to see that the next move would be the Tether dominance comes down and Bitcoin goes up. So definitely good to point out. Another supporting factor of why this could be the bottom. So thank you for pointing that out, Lane. More Tether than we have ever had, probably due to the Luna crash. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, guys, I feel like that was good sauce. I feel like that's, I hope you guys learned something there, because there's a lot of different things you can look at to kind of, other than crypto, to try to predict what's going to happen now. And another one of those things is the DXY. So let's go ahead and check out the DXY real quick. Obviously we are getting a little bounce on the DXY, which is probably why we're coming down a little bit today. However, if we zoom in a little bit here on the price action, we are coming up to, are we holding that? Yeah. I don't know, guys. We might have a little bit more to come down here. And also, to Lane's point, this could be the bottom, but even if we came down and, for another leg down, a lower low, down into the low 20s, and we come and we hit that 200-week moving average, that doesn't totally invalidate everything that looks bullish. Like, we just get that one last leg down, hit that 200-week moving average, and then I would start to feel a lot better about calling that the bottom. But until we see that, it's very hard to call, guys. It's very hard to call. It's a nail biter. It really is a nail biter. So On the DXY, we did get a move up, right? That's probably why we were seeing a move down for Bitcoin. Let me just kind of get these matched up here. So you guys can, I mean, you can see, right? DXY comes up, Bitcoin comes down, right? Easy peasy. You know, we are starting to get up above here. We might flip this to support and maybe move up to here, which would support another leg down, which is totally possible. So do want to keep an eye on that. But the fact that, you know, I mean, even if we come to a lower time frame, this might be bullpenning. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I mean, it looks good as in it's going to go up, right? Which would be bad for crypto, right? So this is typically, you know, typically you'll see this break to the upside. You know, doesn't mean it's definitely going to break to the upside, but you know, the problem here is you broke through the resistance. Even if this breaks down, there's still a chance you're just going to flip this to support and come higher. But just to add more insult to injury here, I mean, you're just coming up and forming a bullish pattern. So, you know, still could, you know, it doesn't mean that we're just going to, you know, plummet to zero. We just might get a little bit more of a move down before we come up. That's all. So let's see. Chemistry Bro says this DXY bounce is off the 23 Fib retrace level on this current run for the DXY. Yes, me too, Frankie. But again, I just keep thinking these people know we are waiting for the 200 moving average, and it is called every bottom. And they, yes, they know we know. Yes, Lane. That's what makes this game so tricky, man. This is what makes crypto exciting, in my opinion. It's like you're fighting the whales. Like the whales know that people have their eyes set on these major levels, right? The golden pocket, right? I tell people all the time, let me just get rid of this. I tell people all the time on Bitcoin or just in general, when you're looking at something like the daily time frame, when you're looking at Fibonacci levels at something on the daily time frame, on a high time frame like that, what you have to realize is that the whales know. Like the whales, we're not the only people that know about the Fibonacci levels, right? Tons of traders, tons of retail, and the whales obviously know about this too, right? And they're smart. There's a reason they call it smart money, right? You know, they know everybody's looking at this level. This is the sacred level. This is the sacred level. Everybody's watching this golden pocket. I'm sure you guys see it all over the place, right? A lot of times what they'll do on the longer time frame is they know that people are expecting this to hold as strong support. So what they'll do is they will wick the price all the way below the golden pocket. Everyone freaks out. Everybody gets liquidated. And then, because they know a lot of people have orders set here, right? So a lot of people have long orders set right here because a lot of people, especially right now, a lot of people don't think that we're going below 29K or, you know, 28K, this golden pocket essentially. So a lot of people have buy orders down here or maybe even just a little bit below it. But what the whales will do a lot of the times is they will push price below that golden pocket and pressing, it causes a chain reaction. The price shoots down. You'll get a crazy panic wick and liquidations all the way down here, right? A lot of liquidation levels here as well. So they'll push the price below the golden pocket, liquidate everybody. The price will spike down, cause mass panic, right? And get one last shakeout, right? Only to have the price snap back up and close above the golden pocket. They do it on purpose. They know. So definitely a good point. That's why you don't want to put too much weight on that 200-week moving average because, like I always say, there's no guarantee. We've touched it every other cycle for the most part, but there's no guarantee that we have to come down and touch that, right? The whales probably know everyone's waiting to buy down here, so just flip it around here and send it up. That could be a possibility. Let's see. Michael Saylor is not aware that we are in a golden pocket. Yeah, maybe not. Let's see. Gotta go to work, fam. Y'all, take it easy, Captain. Thank you for being here. I appreciate everything you do. Listen, Siri, if you don't take a hike, we're gonna have a problem, Siri. Let's see. Just look at the history. Just when we think we can't go lower in all these bear markets, we do. Yeah, that's why I generally lean, because you have to be open to everything, right? I do think it is possible that we don't go, you know, too far below this level, but what you have to understand is these people, a lot of people in every bear market are saying the same thing. It's crazy how much the bear markets mimic each other. The saltiness comes out. People start going at each other on Twitter. Everyone's arguing and getting mad at each other online. It's very similar. The same news stories come out, and like clockwork, people come and say, this time's different, this time's different. I'll never forget it because I had people telling me last cycle, this time's different, this time's different. And I had people saying like, yeah, people always say that. Not only in crypto, like they say it all the time in markets, right? I guess mostly in crypto because of the cycles. But, you know, people were crying, this time's different, this time's different. I saw a lot of people saying like, watch, Bitcoin goes in cycles. We have much further down to go. And those people got mutilated online, and they just wound up being right in the end. So if you've been through a bear market, you'll know that that is a true statement. When you think it's bad, it's just starting. But to be fair, we have come down a lot here. But only 63% when, you know, 85% is typical. Let's see. Golden Pocket is what the boys at the bar call my missus. Oh my God. Oh God, sometimes I walk into those traps. Shout out to Ryan. You're not talking too fast today, meaning you are not on your Red Bull. That is true. We got the black coffee. Somebody get Jimmy Two Shoes in here. Do you think there's gonna be a small rebound soon? Yeah, I don't. I feel like the rebound has got to happen at some point very soon here. Billy got beat subscriber Billy got beat subscriber TA in crypto. Oh, Billy got best subscriber TA in crypto. Billy called 15K subscribers. He called 16K this week and now calling 20K this month. Frankie going to 20K subscribers this month. LFG, Crypto Billy, let's go. Are we at 16K? That would be sad. I like to watch it happen. I like to watch it happen live. Oh no. Did we cross it? If not, I know we're very, very, very close. But yeah, Crypto Billy is spot on the subscriber TA. So I would go ahead, if you want to put your 100x longs in on, oh, baby, it's close. Hang on, maybe we can get this to happen on stream. Hang on. If you guys want to put your 100x long in on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel, okay, so we're close. We're at 15,920. Can we get like 70 subscribers or 80 subscribers during the stream? Hopefully we can. I'm pulling up the live subscriber count. Call your friends, call your family, call your wife, call your kids, and tell them to subscribe to the Frankie Candles YouTube channel because we are currently watching it live. Here we go. Get us a subscriber. Go. 1 subscriber. Somebody in chat. If you're not following, if you're not subscribed, subscribe so we can watch this number go up. Okay, back to the charts. Let's see. Maybe we can get close. Guys, smash that like button if you are learning something on this stream or if you're just having a good time chatting. Definitely hit that like button. Let's go for 500 likes. We haven't got 500 likes in a few streams here. Let's go ahead and crush these likes for this stream. And then I'll give you guys next stream. You guys can take the day off. So shout out to you guys. If you want to win those giveaways, definitely smash those likes. I am blasting it on Twitter. Let's go, Crypto Anon. So close. 15.9. Let's get it. It's going to happen. Crypto Billy. Yeah, Crypto Billy called it. It's going to happen. I'm actually more excited about 20K this month. 20K right after May. 20K after May. Let's go. Or in June, Frankie Candles, YouTube. In June, CandleMafia to the moon. Let's go. Shout out to Crypto Billy. It went up 1. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we're famous. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Let's go. Pump it. Pump it. Let's go. Oh, yo, Anon. Anon lit it up on Twitter. Let's go. This is lit. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, we went from no action at all to just an influx. Let's go. Anon. Yeah, guys, share it. 40K this month. Let's go. CBBI, tell us if we're in a bull market or not. Some very interesting metrics on there as BTC made it second run up. It was going down would totally confirm Ben's false tops theory should look. Interesting. Crypto Sammy asks, where can you get one of these hats? Crypto Sammy, you're in luck. All you got to do is smash that like button, and we will be giving away probably 2 or 3 of these hats Friday. So smash that like button, be a subscriber, and support the Candle Mafia, and you could be randomly selected to win one of these hats. And then eventually down the road, coming up pretty soon, we will probably be offering it as official merch. So if you don't win it, you will still have a chance to get one, but they will be made by a different company, so they might be slightly different. So if you want the official one that I have, you got to win this giveaway. And then someone was saying they want me to sign it. I won't just sign your hat. If you want me to, I will. I'm not just going to draw on your hat if you don't want to. But if you want to, I'm happy to do that. But yeah, so if you want a hat, definitely smash that like button for a chance to win one for free. You don't even have to buy it. Like a slot machine, let's go. Check out CBBI. What is CBBI? Is it... it's like Fear and Greed, Frankie, but a lot better in my opinion. Let me know where I can get that, Lane. I'll definitely check it out. I need that hat. Let's go, Crypto Sasquatch. All right. Did we lose a subscriber? I think we lost one. But anyway, we will check back in on those subs. Let's check in on the trade, too. We're just like, we got so much stuff to watch here. Oh, no, we're down. Oh, we're not down, but we lost profit. It's okay. Anyway, okay, let's see. Hour and 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and check out some of these altcoins. Now, Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum. You know, I don't know, guys. So here's another thing. Hang on. Let me see. Running flag correction. Okay. So another thing you have to realize, like, obviously, this being the bottom is definitely going to be you know, tied to what happens in the world, right? If we get some crazy news, it's not going to matter that we're sitting on top of strong support or we're in a reversal pattern or, you know, it won't matter. Like, we will come down lower. So if we get any crazy bad news in the bear market, like, we're going to dump. It's not going to matter what the fear and greed is. Like, none of that is going to matter if we get like, if something like Luna that just it's like if something like that just happened to Luna, similar to what just happened to Luna, happens again. Like if USDT, like something happens to USDT, like it's not gonna matter. Like any of this stuff, like it's just gonna dump. Especially because we're in a bear market. It's like a free card to dump. Yeah, I mean, this just looks like... So I know we covered this. I know I talk about this a lot. I talk about this when I first started the channel. The idea of a running flat correction, right? So with the running flat correction, it's basically... let me just get rid of these drawings just to cover it. I know we cover it, you know, quite a few times on the channel, so I won't spend too much time on it. But with the running flat corrections, you will basically, you know, what it is you have a channel, right? And you come in an impulsive move, you get rejected, you come back up, you make a higher high, and then you come down and you make a lower low, and then that's where you wind up taking off to higher prices. And we have all those parameters are met, right? Granted, this, I don't know if that invalidates it, but, you know, you have up, rejection, bounce, higher high, lower low, off to the races. So this would support that this could be the actual bottom. Again, I'm making a decision right now. I'm recording a video tomorrow. I'm covering the bull case, I'm covering the bear case, and then we're going to show it all to you guys. I'll give you evidence on both sides, good evidence on both sides. Hopefully I can get it done this week. I don't make any promises because things get crazy, but then I'll let you guys make the decision. Because I think it's also important to realize that both cases are definitely possible, and I feel like people get mad when people on YouTube don't pick a side. And in my opinion, it's anti-intellectual it's anti-intellectual to pick a side. Why would you just pick a side for the purpose of picking a side? Like, it just makes no sense when both things can totally play out. So I think it's important that we show both cases with both supporting evidences, and then you guys make the decision. Because at the end of the day, you got to make the decision for yourself. But as far as Ethereum right now, let's just go ahead and do some analysis on here. You know, 6-day, no green dot, 5-day, no green dot, 3-day, Confirmed green dot. That happened a while ago, though. Coming to the daily, I mean, yeah, nothing too exciting. I mean, it's looking at, looking the same as Bitcoin for the most part, minus the green dots. But, yeah, I mean, triple bottom. 1, 2, 3, and then up. Yeah, I don't know. It's really hard to say. But another thing you want to realize is you have a really high volume node right down here, like that is going to hold you down. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Yeah, I mean, you have a bunch of high volume nodes here. Yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, I don't know. You're gonna have to get past this resistance here. That's gonna be kind of hard, especially when Bitcoin's doing what it's doing right now. But coming to the 4 hour, yeah, 4 hours back in the red. Do you have the 1 hour crossover? Yeah, 1 hour's back in the red. 2 hour looking to come down. So yeah, not looking the best. Obviously, it's gonna be very tied to Bitcoin. Cardano. Obviously corrected from its big run up. Had a decent run up, but now it's just eaten all of its gains back up. But I think there is a good chance you land on this high volume node right here and maybe recover. I have some nice confluence here between the high volume node, the 200 period moving average. Let's pull a fib on here. Yeah, I mean, right now, you are currently bouncing right off this golden pocket. If you lose this golden pocket, though, you do have some nice support. So just in general, I would say, right here is some pretty, this box right here, just so I can delete this and make it cleaner. I mean, this box is pretty good support. So maybe you get a bounce here. VWAP on the 2 hour, it's been below that zero line for a long time. You're probably due to come up. So yeah. I mean, not uncommon to see a big correction after a massive run up. So, all right, let's see. Let's see. Lane, let me see. And Mafia, start checking it out for yourselves. Frankie may take a while to see this message, but we know what he's like. All right, let's see. It's a metric that Ben needs to see as it would confirm the false top. Google it. Okay, yeah, is it like an indicator, or you said it's like the fear and greed index, right? Okay. Where we at on the history percent down and timeline? Anything notice regarding volume? Where are we at on the history percentage? Let's see. What do you think ETH highest will be short? Mass, you're going to have to, I'm not 100% sure what you're asking there. I think it's at least one more bearish week. Everybody is talking about BTC never saw 9 red weekly in a row, but on Heikenashis, we've had 10, yeah. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, should I trade and do TA on log chart? I go back and forth. So yeah, like I have spider lines. I'll go back and forth from log to non-log. Where are my spider lines? I think they're on this chart. Let's see. Yeah, I can never seem to just keep my stuff. It just always gets deleted somehow. Come on. Oh, here they are. Okay, yeah. So with the spider lines, like I will, I turn them on and off of log. That's like one of the reasons why I go on and off of log, because you can use them. They do work on log and non-log. So, some of these lower levels come in on log, and then you can click log to turn it on log, and then you get your levels up here, and then you can toggle it on and off by clicking log and non-log, and then they move. So that's, I typically, you know, I'll just toggle between for spider lines. But other than that, I mean, you could toggle back and forth just to see the differences. But yeah, for the most part, I usually just toggle back and forth for the spider lines. Let's see. Let's turn those back off. Right, let's see. Long, short. Mundo, I am currently in a short, but I've been in this short forever. I am looking for longs. I will be looking for longs. You know, unless if we start flipping real bearish, if things start to look real bad, I mean, we'll go back to shorting. But we're kind of short right now, looking for longs. Looking to close those shorts and looking for longs. Let's see. What do you think ETH's highest price will be in the short term when BTC pumps before the dump? Like if we get a relief bounce, I mean, that's kind of hard to say, but let's take a look at it. So, I mean, let's see. What is this, 20, 23... I mean, 2,500 would be a nice pump. 2,500 would be a nice pump. If we come to the weekly, let's turn on the 200 week, or I'm sorry, the 200 day. Yeah, I mean, 27 would be a pretty mean pump. Let's see if we draw our trend line like that. Draw this out. Why can't I draw this? Okay, so I mean, yeah, I mean, you do have, yeah, I would say if you, I mean, maybe in a really bullish case, you could come up and maybe, I mean, if you did come up to test this downward trend line, like I think Bitcoin can do, that would put ETH at about 2850, and you do have your 200-day moving average that will probably continue to come down, so you might find some confluence there. So I mean, in the most bullish case, I would say maybe test here 28. Yeah, I'd say 2800 absolute most bullish case for now, at least. If we see Bitcoin pump to its trend line, I think we could. I think we could see ETH get up there. But that is if Bitcoin ever decides to pump without eating up its gains the next day, which who knows if that'll ever happen. That was the best answer I have heard. Bravo. Shout out to you, Diamond Sauce. Let's see. Pro tip, do not use log if you are taking measured moves. Yeah, good point. Road Dog Crypto, shout out for that. Crypto Billy, post again at Deep Data Crypto. I'm on my phone, so I can't pull it up, or I would. It's based off previous bull runs, but I don't know specifics. Smash the likes. AD says smash the likes, guys. Show some support for the CandleMafia. Done. Let's go, guys. 500 likes. I think we can do it. Let's go for 450, and then I'll rush you guys to hit 500 while we're spinning the wheel. How's that sound? 450. Smash that like button. We got we're giving away the hats, and we're giving away NFTs this week, so there's extra reason to hit that like button. Actually, I just found out through our analytics, someone at the office who keeps an eye on all the analytics of all the channels came up to me and he said, and I'm not even making this up, I just talked to him, his name's Andrew, came up to me and he said, have you noticed a drop-off on the likes on your live streams because it seems like they're down due to your analytics? And I told him, I was like, I feel like our lives are doing really good right now. If you asked me, I would have said the opposite and said that our likes are hitting all-time highs. But according to the analytics, we're actually really coming down in likes. I don't know if it's because I'm not shouting it out as often, or if you guys are just sick of hitting the like button, but it is the best way to help the channel grow and push it out to more people. So if you guys could please hit that like button, and we're giving you guys free stuff. So if that's not incentive, I don't know what is. Smash up that like button for your boy. Crypto Anon says, Frankie, they cannot find the golden pocket at the 28.8 level, pulled from many different levels, can't nail it down. Can you advise? 28.8. Did I say the wrong price? I don't think I did. But I'll just pull it right now. So yeah, I'll just go remove drawing, turn off all these, boom, get rid of market cipher B, boom, 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 boom. right? So you're looking at your empty chart and you're looking for the golden pocket. You want the golden pocket. I'll tell you how to get it. You want to go ahead and click your Fibonacci retracement tool, right? If you don't know where that is, it's 3 tools down, first tool in that draw, right? You want to come to your 2020, March of 2020 dump, and you want to grab it. If you want to get exact levels, I would recommend zooming in a lot to get that exact level. Maybe turn on your magnet tool, grab your Fibonacci retracement tool, and go right to the bottom of that wick, right, of March of 2020. And then you want to go ahead and drag this all the way up, and you want to lay it on top of your all-time high at 69K right there. It might be hard to get that level exact, but get it as close as you can. Boom, I'm going to call that good. And then there is your golden pocket right here. Let me actually just drag it over here. So here's your golden pocket right here. Top of it is at 28,695, and the bottom of it is at 26,608. That is how you get that golden pocket. I hope that answers your question, and I hope you enjoyed that sauce, because it's free today. It's free today. Actually, no, it costs you 1 like. It costs you 1 smash of the like button. I'll search his channel after the stream, Dupetty. Frankie, do you have a Telegram signals group? Would you consider setting one up? If not, Jolly Gray Giant, we do have the Discord. If Tyler or Tony or Crypto Anon could throw that in the chat, that would be helpful so they can get in there. We're very, it's kind of a hot topic on the channel. I'm very indecisive about if I want to do direct signals with entries, take profits, stop losses. I'm kind of torn on that. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that, but I do put a lot of, I feel like we're creeping closer and closer to that. I kind of hint at where I'm doing things, but short answer, I don't give trade signals as of right now. I'm not 100% against it, but I'm very wary of doing it. But if you go into the Discord, I do try to put TA in there as much as I can with pictures of the chart, what I'm looking for price to do, and what I'm planning on doing when price does that, if price does that. So you might find some good information in there. And maybe we will wind up doing signals at some point. Probably will make those paid, right? Because I always say the Discord is free. I will never take away things. The whole Discord is free right now. Whatever's in the Discord is free. I'll never change that. Whatever's in there right now will always be free. But if I want to add signals, we might make it paid, or we might make it that maybe we drop CandleMafia NFTs, and if you hold one of the epic NFTs or whatever it is, you have access to the signals group, and then you guys can trade around the NFTs. I don't know, but it's not a complete no. Maybe we'll do it in the future, but definitely get in the Discord, because we put out good information in there. And like I said, I do sometimes nudge you guys like, hey, if this happens, not financial advice, but I'm probably going to do this, right? I kind of did it today with that short call, right here. I was saying possible entry right here, and I said not financial advice. I didn't say, I probably won't be taking the trade. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to enter this trade, but if you entered the trade, if you go back in the chart and check, we'll just say the trade might have worked out. But, I just want to point it out. I don't recommend copycat trading, people. It's not a good idea. And also, we don't win 100% of the time, right? So you have to remember that. No one's right 100% of the time. But we are right a lot. Let's see. Soloway has a signals group, Frankie, for crypto, and he's never lost. I think I'll be signing up soon. Interesting. Gareth, well, they don't call him Gareth the God. They don't call him Gareth the God for no reason. Gareth is the man. Very, 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 very smart guy. Great trader, great technical analyst. Absolutely. Shout out to Gareth Soloway. I want to try to have him on the channel so he can come and bless us with his godlike TA. All right, let's see. Stay away from that signal selling. It's not worth it, Frankie. Yeah, Looney. I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about it. 500 per trade signal. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. Learn TA asking for signals this week. Frankie has teaching videos for days. Yeah, Matt Lane. Shout out to Matt. Yeah, that's my thing, is like, I just feel like it doesn't help you to just tell you when to get into the trade, because you're not going to learn anything. You're not going to be practicing your emotions, because you know, dealing with those emotions. You're just going to be like looking at and waiting for the signals. It's just not good. I don't think it's good. I'm right 1% of the time. Take your wins. Let's go, Ryan. Yeah, I agree. You should promote people learning instead of selling signals. Yeah, I agree with that. Frankie, I am not joking. 1 minute. Target for ADA's current pullback. I did just go over that, but I'll go over it one more time. Oh, Tony says to date, we have given out 31 Cardano NFTs. This community really is the best, and Frankie really is one of the hardest workers in the space. Please smash the like button to support Frank. Yes, absolutely. And we also have given away like 2 or 3 Ledger Nanos. We gave away Bitcoin Miami 2022 tickets. Those were like $1,000 a piece. We gave away 2 of those. So I kind of want to make that a thing about this channel. Is like we are the giving channel. Like we give away a lot of stuff. I like that. It feels good to me. I enjoy doing it. It genuinely makes me happy, and I think the community likes it as well. So we are just getting started here, guys. Just getting started here. All right, let's go ahead and check on Bitcoin. As people are saying, we are ripping. Oh, baby, we are pumping. We're pumping, baby. Let's go. Yeah, there you go. Got that third yellow X starting to come up a little bit here. But with that 1 hour money flow crossover into the red, you know, let's see. Zoom in on that. Is coming back up towards that 0 line. We'll see if we can sustain it. Not impossible to just, you know, flip back into the green here. Definitely not impossible, but we were in the green here for a while. We did see a pretty big pump. I think we could come back deeper into the red here. We are bouncing off of that point of control currently, so we could easily roll back over. Hard to tell. We do have resistance right here, so we'll have to see if we can get past this resistance right here at about 30,387. So once we come up and test that, we'll see if we can flip it. But yeah, you know, with that money flow crossover on the 1 hour, that's the 90 minute doing it. Let's check the lower time frames. Yeah, yeah, you might come up. You might come up more here. Let's see, 12 minute money flow coming up, 15 minute money flow coming up, 18 minute coming up, 30 minute. Yeah, I don't like the way the 30 minute looks. I think he could come down a little bit more here. Yeah, because I mean, you did put a bullish divergence in right here. You know, you did put that bullish divergence in, so you know you are going to pump up a little bit. But we will see. Frankie, I'm a 3D artist. Let me make your Frankie Candles NFT collection. Can be a bunch of candle characters. I know, Chemistry Bro, we were thinking about what we would make them if we did have NFTs. I'd have to think about it. I'm thinking like a mafia, I mean, definitely a mafia theme, right? I kind of like that. A bunch of like mobbed out candle characters. That would be pretty cool. I like that. I agree. I do like Sniper, but everyone else in that channel sucks. Guys, trading channels, like Discord channels and stuff, they're toxic sometimes. George R. Us yesterday saying we go up. Look at, yeah, Market Matt, yeah. Yeah, same here. Let's see. Crypto Banter gives out a lot of giveaways. Okay, Hodgepodge, what's going on, Hodgepodge? Welcome back. Let's go. Yeah, crazy. Crypto Billy says, remember when we had like 25 people in here and you said, we are making history, pin that, you nailed it. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Now look at it, look at us now. The candelabra from Beauty and the Beast, that's what I'm picturing. A bunch of candelabras from Beauty and the Beast, but just all mobbed out different characters. I love it. I was also thinking we could do like mobbed out like trading patterns, let's see, like the ascending triangles, like the muscle, right? And like the Godfathers, like a golden cross or something. I don't know. We'll have to think about it. Yeah, Lane Hughes says, George is always bullish. I don't watch George's channel. He's Cryptos R Us, right? I think. I've seen him before, but everyone always says he's only bullish. I just see that said a lot. I don't know the guy. I've never really seen his content, but I do see everybody. CandleMafia, baby. Red Robles, what's going on, baby? Welcome back. Yeah, I don't know. Everybody says he's always bullish. Very interesting. I want him at 500K. Frankie is such a good dude. I appreciate you, Diamond Sauce. We're going to get there one day, 500K, maybe sometime very soon. We're hitting 20K this month. Let's get it. Mafia candles would be fire, CNFTs. Yeah, Looney, I like that idea too. Bart's hair. Yeah, guys, this diamond pattern, I mean, it's not like the best textbook Bart Simpson pattern, but it is kind of Bart Simpson-y. You know, a lot of times we'll do that. We'll come up and we'll kind of just make some Bart Simpson hair and then just come right back down. You could draw the ears, you could draw the eyes, and there's your, I mean, I guess this is more like a bear. Oh, God, what is this? It's like Fred Flintstone. What's going on? Oh, no. The artiste has come out, guys. The artiste has come out. Here we go. Oh, boy, look at that. That's the big grizzly bear market monster right there. I don't know what's going on. All right, let's go ahead and check out some of these alts. If you guys have any alts, I'm only going to look at a few of them. But if you guys want to try to throw them in there, I'll try to teak. Oh, Bart's hair. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, Alex, that's a good one. That's a good one. Frankie, what is your prediction for tomorrow? I am going to say green and nice. That's not me being overly bullish either, like George Lal, but I am feeling very bullish right now. I mean, Lane, you have a reason, man. I mean, you have a reason to be bullish. Just for like the many things that we just went over, there's a lot of reasons to be bullish, right? Just the fact that we're at the macro golden pocket is very bullish. The fact that we have the green dots popping up is bullish. The USDT dominance topping out is bullish. The DXY looking like it topped out, even though we are bouncing right now, but on the daily looking like we topped out, bullish, right? We have a lot of things. Fear and greed index being crushed all the way down, bullish, right? 9 red weekly candles, bullish. I mean, I could keep going. VeChain, okay, yeah, we'll do, yeah, Crypto Sammy, we could do VeChain. There's a lot of bullish things. You have a reason to be bullish. Now, my thing is bullish on it being the bottom for now I say the bottom forever for this cycle. Now, I just want to be clear. Again, Lane, you have reason to be bullish, man. And I'm the same way. I'm bullish on a relief bounce. I'm bullish on a relief bounce. I'm not bullish on all-time highs. You know, we are not going to all-time highs anytime soon, most likely. Even if this is the bottom, we are still not going to see all-time highs like in the next month or two. Like, it's just not going to happen. Like, even if this is the bottom of the bear market, chances are we're probably going to waddle sideways for a really long time. Over 100 days probably, right? So chances are we'll probably just move sideways for a really long time at least before coming up to new all-time highs. But that's not to say that we can't see a crazy big pump, right? We can still come up pretty high. I do see that. I just don't want to forget that golden pocket in the mid-50s. I don't know if that's a dead thing yet. I think we might still come up and test it as we have tested the in 2017. We tested that golden pocket. I mean, I'll just pull it really roughly here. You know, we tested that golden pocket right here with a nice little relief pump, right? We found the bottom, wiggled sideways here for a while, and then finally came up, tested that golden pocket before coming back down. So I don't think this is the bottom, and then like we're just off into another massive bull run is like very unlikely, especially with the worldly economic environment that we're in right now. But now I forgot what we were going to look at. Yeah, you know, I don't think you meant all-time highs. I just want to be clear for people. Yeah, okay, wow, that's weird. You say 52K, harsh rejection. I literally just brought up that golden pocket. Interesting. Yeah, we're on the same page, Lane. Yeah, Lane's got the sauce. Lane knows the sauce. But yeah, so I think that's like the most bullish case. I mean, maybe we run into the mid-50s to that golden pocket. You know, we were calling for that for a while ago, but we just didn't know we had this other leg down to go. But maybe we come up and test those levels. I do think that's possible maybe in 2023, early 2023, maybe we do that. But yeah, all-time highs. I want to say we have to see if the false top theory plays out. If the false top theory plays out to be true, then the cycles are all messed up. Then the cycles are broken. But until that's proven, we have to assume that the next bull market won't happen until 24 or 2025. So, but I forgot our original reason for talking about that. The only thing that we go down in the cycle history, the only thing that's saying we go down is the cycle history and the 200 moving average. Yeah, and the horrible economic environment that we're in right now. There's a lot of things that could possibly bring us down. But yeah, for the most part, 200 moving average that we haven't touched there. That's one thing. That is one thing that's saying that we could go down. And then cycle history, the fact that we haven't gone down 85% yet, the fact that the timing would be all messed up. So the cycle would basically have to completely shatter for us to go to all-time highs anytime soon. But, you know, it's not possible for that to happen. It's just never happened before ever in history. So we'll have to see. Let's see. Do you think, Lane, I will check out the CBBI, but I'll bring it up in tomorrow's stream. I definitely will check it out, though, because I'm interested. Crypto Sammy says, do you think VeChain will still be alive next bull run? I'll be honest, I think VeChain's one of the very few projects that is actually being used, has real use case, and is, yeah, has real use cases and actually is being deployed, right? So yeah, I think VeChain comes back. I do. All right, let's take a look at some of these alts, guys. Let's see. Okay, let's go to crypto. I just almost knocked off my coffee. All right, let's look at Solana. Oh, we'll look at VeChain too. We'll look at VeChain too. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Solana, I mean, sitting on top of this giant level of support. 2 yellow X's. You know, again, I've said this before, you know, a lot of times with these yellow X's right up against strong support, sometimes you see them try to push down and they just can't get through the support. They work out a lot better. I mean, a lot of times they push you through the support. It's hard to say, but this is really strong support. I don't know if you're going to break this yet, but definitely possible that you will. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I'm not even really going to look too much into this. I would say we got to hold this. You are holding it right now. If you break this, it's going to get pretty ugly, but it doesn't look like you're going to break it today or tomorrow. So I would say hold this. Let's see. Let's see. Let me turn off my magnet tool. Yeah, I mean, you are kind of in an ascending triangle here. Yeah, I mean, you could break down out of this. That's definitely possible. But yeah, I mean, you do have a level here. I think you're gonna hold this for the time being. But if you do come down and make a lower low here, this would be beautiful because this is the 4 hour. If you do come down and make a lower low like that, you could put in a nice bullish divergence here on the 4 hour for which would possibly bring you up a decent bit. All right, let's see. Let's see. Can we take a look at FTM? Yes, we can. Yeah, let's take a look at VeChain first, and then we will take a look at Phantom. VeChain, Tether, Binance. Yeah, I mean, this stuff all, I mean, the alts are so hard. I mean, the alts all look the same right now for the most part. Yeah. All right, let's see. On the 4 hour, I mean, your money flow is coming out on the 4 hour. Daily is probably looking the same as everything else. Yeah, daily looks the same as everything else. 45-minute back in the red. 1 hour. Blood Diamond on the played out on the 1 hour. Yeah, I would look for that money flow crossover on the 1 hour chart could bring you down a little bit more, but you are printing a green dot. You have the VWAP coming up, so you might get dragged back into the green a little bit before finally crossing into the red. But yeah, I mean, VeChain's a good project in my opinion. It was one of my bigger holdings this cycle. So I will be looking to reload, and I think it definitely will be back next cycle. Let's see. Will Smith, that like button, guys. 435 likes. 450 is the goal. 450 is the goal, guys. Definitely smash that like button, and then when we get to 450, we'll start spinning the wheel, and then I'll try to rush you guys, try to get to 500 while we're spinning the wheel. Let's see. Yeah, Tron is one of the only ones that doesn't look the same. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, Lane, absolutely. No, we didn't do algo yet. Let's take a look at FTM, then we can look at algo. Let's see. All right. Yeah, 1 hour crossover into the red. Yeah, this is looking basically the same as good old Bitty Boy. And I don't mean Ben, I mean Bitcoin. Let's see, 4 hours back in the red. That's kind of bearish. I mean, 15 minute coming up with the money flow. 30 minute coming, hard to say. Let me see, do we have a, is it the KuCoin? We must have levels on one of these. Yeah, okay. Daily, bada boom. I mean, hey, yeah, you're back above. Yeah, you're still on this support. This support is this is your last leg right here. And then, I mean, yeah, then you're probably just coming down to zero. I'm just kidding, not zero. I'm just joking. Yeah, you want to hold that support, that's for sure. Let's pull up the VPVR. Yeah, I mean, a lot of volume at this level, a lot of volume. But if you lose it, you know, probably 23 cents, 23-ish cents is probably, you know, into the 20s, definitely likely if you lose this level. Yeah, into the 20s for sure on FTM. Daily, yeah, money flow actually coming out. Actually, I do not like the way that money flow looks. That money flow looks like you want to come down. So again, guys, I know I haven't really been spending a lot of time on the alts. If I see an altcoin that looks like it's set up to rip or dump or something like that, for the most part, a lot of these look very similar. You know, like you guys were saying, Tron is one thing. Let's take a look at Tron. Let's look at the KuCoin chart. Yeah, so this looks different. Is part 3 of the KuCoin tutorial going to show information on leverage? Rob the Crypto Snob, that is what the video is about. The video is about just the leverage options that they offer on KuCoin. They have, not only do they offer leverage, they offer up to 5x leverage without KYC. If you do KYC, they will offer between 20 and 100x, I believe. But they also offer pre-leveraged tokens. I don't know if you guys have ever used those, but essentially what it is like you buy the pre-leveraged token. So you would buy, you would buy Tron 3x short token, and you buy that, and then you hold it, and you basically just, that's it. You're shorting it now, and you're waiting for the price to go down, and you make money, and you sell it. It's basically like an inverse token. It's kind of interesting. So I show you those, and then I also show you the their leverage trading dashboard and their platform, and basically this. I show you guys how to use this as well. This is what I prefer to use over the pre-leveraged tokens. I don't use the pre-leveraged tokens, but maybe you guys will find them useful. Let's see. Gala, I will be looking to... yeah, exactly. Yeah, Lane says Alter just doing what Bitcoin does. Yeah, exactly. Gala prediction. I will be looking to pick up a lot of Gala in the bear market. I should say now. Yeah, ooh baby. Yeah, sitting at 7 cents. Not a bad time to be accumulating Gala, in my opinion. Rejecting off this high volume node right now. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good at all. Yeah, I mean, 5 cents is in the cards. 5 cents is in the cards for Gala. I'm going to say it right now. Yeah, very interesting. Let's see. Crypto face bullish on Tron, so you should be too. Looney, yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'm looking to start scalping some of those. Shout out to Ryan Mack. I'm just spilling my sauce to you tonight, man. You need a mop to wipe this up. Let's see. Should have sold my little alt bags at 47K. Yeah. It's okay, BN. It's okay. You only lose the money if you sell. By the way, it's your boy Rafi. Sorry for being MIA. I lost my phone. Oh no, Rafi. Oh no, dude, you're gonna have to change your name to Rafi. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to remember. You just got to always remind me, like, hey, Rafi here, because Rafi was never your name. I remembered your old name, and I would remember that it's Rafi, and now it's just a different name. This is like nameception right now. Name of the game is accumulation, especially for a coin with a limited amount. Absolutely. Road Dog Crypto says, YouTube channel. I think I missed a previous chat here. All right, guys. I think maybe we'll cover one more. We'll cover one more alt. We got a couple of minutes left here. Actually, let's go ahead and check on the. Let's go, baby. 15,950, guys. 50 more subscribers. Let's go. Shout out to everybody that was sharing. Definitely bumped us up a little bit. That is for sure. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and actually let's take a look at. Let's actually just take a look at Tron. Because we pulled it up and then just didn't even look at it. All right. So on the daily, let's see. Yeah, we got the money flow kind of coming down a little bit. Nothing to really be freaked out about. Yeah, I mean, you are coming up to resistance. You are coming up to resistance here, but let's see. 4 hour. Yeah, money flow coming out. Let's check these lower time frames. Yeah, money coming out on the 15-minute, 30-minute. Yeah, 24-minute just crossing over right now into the red. So I would watch that. The 24-minute and the 30-minute. Can you short Tron anywhere? Probably on. Yes, baby. This is why you gotta love KuCoin. This is why you gotta love KuCoin. All right. So yeah, if you want that 30-minute money flow crossover, 24-minute, money coming out on the lower time frames, usually indicative of a little cool off. You have been coming down a little bit. You have been coming down a decent bit here. So, what's the super low time frames doing? Yeah, mixed signals here, guys. Mixed signals on Tron. Yeah. Maybe you move. I would say sideways bearish for Tron. I'd watch that 30-minute money flow crossover. That could bring you down a bit. But yeah, there's Tron. All right, guys, I think that's all we got. 470 likes, guys. We smashed through that 450. Let's get it to 500 while we're spinning the wheel. 350 people still in here. Thank you for hanging out the whole stream. If you stuck around to the end, I appreciate you. Let's see. What's up, Frankie? Happy Gamer, what is going on? Wouldn't want to touch it after Luna, but don't know if the algo stablecoin or actually dollar-backed like USDT. I don't think they are. I mean, Luna was backed by Bitcoin. I don't understand. I never understood that. I never understood why you would want to back a stablecoin with a volatile asset like Bitcoin. Maybe I'm not an expert on the tech, so maybe that's just not how it works. But it kind of seems like their stablecoin was backed by one of the most volatile assets in the world, which just seems like a bad idea from the start. So again, not an expert on that stuff, so maybe I just don't get it. But didn't really. I was always sketched out about Luna or UST actually. Wouldn't want to. Always to the end, Crypto Billy, absolutely. I appreciate everyone in here, especially you, Crypto Billy, for sticking around to the end. Crypto Rob says, just in time to smash that like. Let's go, baby. Run it up to 500 likes. It was destined to fail. Yeah, Lane. So DCA into Gala wouldn't be a bad idea. Nathan, listen, can we come lower? Absolutely. But as long as you're not putting your whole bag in at once, if you're starting to get in here, even if we drop another 50%, you know, I don't think we're going to drop another 50%, but, you know, even if we drop a good bit more, I mean, you're starting your DCA here, if you have not already, is not going to be a bad spot. I mean, especially just to start. So, yo, let's go. Mass still in here. 16K subs this week, 20K subs in a month. Name on the building is incoming. Let's go, Crypto Billy. Let's get it, guys. Let's go ahead and spin this dang wheel. 489. Let's go for 500 likes, and I will give you guys 6 spins. And now we are cracking down on these spins. No extra spins. Because we got to get these likes up because CandleMafia's got to grow. But do we have the anime girl on here? Oh, it wasn't on here. Anyway, spin number 1, people. Spin number 1. Let's go! If I wasn't live on YouTube right now, I'd give my computer the finger. I really would. What is that? If that's not a scam. Okay, actually, upon further investigation, guys, it is on 15-minute Discord Hangout. So I will be in the Discord, if not today, tomorrow morning. If not tonight, tomorrow morning. Have been in there a little bit more. I hope you guys are enjoying that. I do try to get in there as much as possible, more and more every week, as I get more and more help with the channel. Spin number 2. Give it to them, people. Whoo! She's toying with us today. She's toying with us today, guys. All right. Spin number 3. Give it to him. You just teased him twice. Get it, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Funny hat. Yeah, we'll bring the fedora on or something. I don't know. I think maybe the Hamburglar hat. That thing gets hot, though. That and the cowboy hat get really hot. Oh, my God. This is horrible. Oh, my God. Talk about a rug pull. 15-minute. All right, we're hanging out in the Discord, guys. Half hour in the Discord. Let's go. Give it to him. Spin number 5. Oh, God, I lost count. I think it's spin number 5. You guys are getting scammed. Absolutely scammed. Eat crickets. They are right over. Where are the crickets? I got to get the crickets. All right. Spin number 6. I think this is spin number 6, guys. I've never seen somebody. Oh, wait. You guys don't get a 6 spin. Hang on. We got to get it to 500 likes. We got to get it to 500 likes. All right, let's see. Rugged on the giveaways. Yeah, that was, I think, the worst ever. Rigged. Como Se Coma says, rigged. Yes, I agree. Do you have a sombrero? I don't, but I should. Frankie, don't forget to check out the CBBI when you get off. You're going to want to show Ben. Okay, yeah, Lane, I will check that out and bring it up tomorrow's stream. Can't wait for my hat. D Petty Crypto. Let's go. 498. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting for these. We're waiting for these likes. Run up the subs. Give us a sub. Give us a sub. Give us a sub. Give us a sub. Come on. We've been at 15.9. 500. There we go. I guess now you guys are getting 7 likes. I said I wasn't going to give you extra spins, but you guys got rug pulled today. Give it to them. Just give it to these people. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. Well, guys, I tried. I think that was 7 spins. I tried. Thank you so much for 500 likes. I appreciate extra spin. We just got Luna'd. Yes, we got more Janet. Yeah, we got more for Janet Yellen. 503, baby. Let's go. I appreciate every single one of you. I don't know, bro. I'm pretty happy with the spins. Yeah. All right, let's go. Run it up, baby. We got a funny hat. I'll wear a hat tomorrow, and we will eat the crickets. The crickets are in a case. I will eat the crickets. We will open the stream tomorrow with a little cricket action, as long as the mods can remind me, because I will forget. So if you guys can remind me about eating the crickets before the show starts, I am not to do any TA until I eat some crickets. But, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Debate Crypto is live right now. Definitely go check them out, guys. Let them know Frankie Candle sent you. I actually might hop in there with you guys for a few minutes, say what's up to them, show them some love, drop some likes, let them know Frankie Candle sent you, and keep a lookout for this upload tomorrow. Oh God, this giveaway. Okay, so I don't think we may do our giveaway next week. Maybe. Well, I'll update you guys tomorrow because this holiday weekend kind of threw us off as far as recording, and we need to get these videos up so you guys can comment and like them so we could pick. That's where we get our winners from. So maybe we push it back to next week, or maybe we'll figure out an easier way. Maybe we'll find an alternative way to do the giveaway this week. But if not, I don't think we have that many NFTs to give away this week anyway, so maybe we'll just roll it into next week, give away a bunch of NFTs and a bunch of the hats once we get another video up. But guys, Debate Crypto, go check them out. I'll meet you guys over there. We'll drop some likes, some comments, show them that CandleMafia love. And with all that being said, guys, thanks to each and every single one of you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all of you guys so much more than you guys probably think. Thank you for smashing the like button. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being the best community on YouTube. That's all I got. Frankie can't. Hang on. Let's not jump ahead of ourselves here. I will see you tomorrow, same place, same time, 5:45, right here, Eastern Standard Time. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing, bong.
Tyler Ramos.